Hi guys, welcome to Josie channel.
Quarter 3, Week 8, Day 1. Here are the objectives. First, describe how heat travels in solid materials. Second, demonstrate that heat travels from hot to cold objects. Come on, let's have fun while learning. Let's have a guessing game. This can be seen up in the sky, but it is not a kite. It is a giant ball of gas which gives you heat and light. What is it? Very good. It is the sun. The sun gives us heat and light on Earth. Why do some objects get hot easily when placed under the sun? Very good. You're right. It is because of heat transfer. When you say heat transfer, it is the movement of heat energy from one place to another due to the difference in temperature. What is the role of the sun that makes this happen? You're right, because the sun gives us heat and light on Earth. How does the heat of the sun reach the Earth's surface? Very good. The sun's radiation strikes the Earth's surface. To better understand our lesson, let's have a group activity. This activity was entitled, How is Heat Transferred in Solid Materials? For Group 1 and 2, you need metal spoon, mug, and hot water. Just follow the directions written in your activity sheets. For Group 3 and 4, you need tongs, nail, candle, matchstick, and margarine. Once again, you need to follow the directions given in your activity sheet. Please be careful in handling the materials with you. Okay? If you don't have the materials with you, you can watch the simple video clip. And now, let's have your group presentation. What happened to the exposed end of the spoon after 5 minutes? Correct. The cold end of the spoon became hot. What happened to the margarine on the nail? You're right. The margarine melted. Why do you think the change took place even if it was not directly exposed to the flame? Very good. The heat from the flame traveled through the nail until it reached the other end of the nail, which caused the margarine to melt. If we are using metal tongs and continue to expose the nail to the flame, what do you think will happen to the metal tongs? You're right. The bare metal tongs will be heated. What do you notice about the surface of the mag when you touch it? You're right. It became hot. Why do heat travels in metals? Very good, because it is a good conductor. When you say conductor, it allows heat to flow through easily, just like copper wire, metal, aluminum, and steel. How heat transferred from one object to another? Very good, it is because of conduction. When we say conduction, it is the transfer of heat energy through direct contact between the heat source and another object. I have here a situation. We often get hurt when we touch a turner or shansi left in a frying pan for too long, right? Kindly suggest ways to reduce the effect of heat on the turner so that we can avoid getting hurt when we left it out on the hot pan. Most of your suggestions are correct. So we have here use a turner with plastic handle and you can use a pot holder. In the situation given a while ago, wood are examples of insulators because these are materials that heat passes slowly or not at all. So another example that we have here are plastic and ceramic. Based on our discussion, here are the things that you should remember. When you say heat, it can travel through solids by conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat energy through direct contact between the heat source and another object, just like what happened to the water or the hot water, the mug, and the metal spoon. To check if you really understood our lesson, please bring out your notebook and answer yes. Write correct if the statement is right and wrong if it is not. Let's check your answers. For number 1, there are materials that allow heat to flow through easily. The answer is correct. For number 2, conduction is the transfer of heat energy through direct contact between the heat source and another object. The answer is also correct. Number 3, insulators are materials that allows heat to pass through like the wood, plastic, and ceramic. The answer is wrong. Okay, number 4, heat can only travel in solids. It is wrong. Number 5, metals are good conductors. The answer is correct. I do hope you got a perfect score. For your assignment, kindly list down 5 examples of conductors that are found at home. That's all for today, kids. Thank you, kids, for listening. See you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. God bless.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please also click the subscribe button. Thank you.